Okay, so Tesla stock is exploding today. From a technical point of view, Tesla has been giving many signs that it wants to resume the bullish bias and trigger the next bullish leg. What are these signs and where this bullish leg could take us? We'll see in this video. So far, Tesla has more bullish signs than bearish signs according to my approach, of course, but that doesn't mean that there are no risks at all. Let's start our technical analysis on Tesla stock. My name is Nathan and you are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Let's start RTA looking at the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, it is quite good to see Tesla breaking the 21 moving average again, trading consistently way above the average over here, breaking the previous resistance level over here as well, right? It feels like Tesla just triggered a bullish pivot point. Of course that it dropped a little bit more than expected, but still, maybe it is a bullish pivot point. It is doing a very strong, meaningful bullish reaction. As long as it stays above the 205 or even the 21 EMA, I think this bullish bias is going to persist a little bit longer until Tesla hits the next technical resistance level, which is 214. As I told you guys, 214 is our main key point over here. Only by breaking 214, Tesla will, technically speaking, trigger the next bullish leg, and this bullish leg has a crystal clear target at 237, which is a very meaningful resistance level. Now, I'm not gonna say that there are no risks at all over here, because there are, of course. Let's start talking about the risks over here. So far, Tesla is just bullish, okay? As far as I know, Tesla could be just doing a flag chart pattern over here, right? This is a pole, and then it has been accumulating doing a flag. This pattern is usually a bullish continuation pattern. Of course, it was not triggered yet. Only if we break 214, Tesla will officially trigger this flag chart pattern. But right now, we are accumulating in this area. We are way above the 21 moving average, and the last time we hit the moving average was on January 20 over here, more than 1 month ago. So it is natural to see Tesla correcting this way. However, the problem would start if Tesla loses this triple support level made by 1. the 21 moving average, 2. the 187, 3. the 182.50, the previous resistance level over here. Only if Tesla loses this triple support level, it is going to actually trigger a quite dangerous chart pattern. Some people might say that this could be a double top, right? A possible double top. Right now in this situation, I think this could become, if Tesla triggers this triple support level, this could be a head and shoulders chart pattern. What could happen to Tesla if Tesla triggers this head and shoulders, Nathan? In my humble opinion, if this scenario materializes, if we lose this triple support level, Tesla is going to seek this gap area. It is going to try to fill this gap around 146 down here. This is the next technical target on Tesla if, again, I can't stress it. It feels like I can never stress enough. If Tesla loses this triple support level. So far, Tesla is above the support level, so right now, Tesla is just bullish. Some people get mad sometimes because I just described what I see right now in this chart, but guys, in the lack of bearish evidence, I will just assume that Tesla is just bullish, and it has more chances of triggering a bullish continuation than a bearish reversal chart pattern over here. So this is it. As long as Tesla remains above this area, it is going to remain bullish. Now I told you guys that there are some indicators telling us that Tesla is more bullish than bearish. Yes, there are. First, let's analyze the RSI over here. The RSI right now is around 60, okay? That's fine. It is not overbought. Some people say that Tesla is overbought right now. Well, it is not anymore, because there are two ways for a stock to lose momentum, to lose strength, and not be overbought anymore. First, if the stock drops. If the price drops, okay, it is going to cool down a little bit, it is going to materialize a pullback. This way the RSI is going to drop as well, and this is it. The second way is by doing a very annoying sideways correction, like Tesla is doing right now. By doing this sideways correction, Tesla is technically doing a correction, and right now the RSI is dropping, is at 60. It is not overbought because, well, technically speaking, according to the RSI, a stock is overbought when it is at 70 or above. Right now we are at 60, so it is not overbought anymore. You can't argue with that. And some people might say, oh Nathan, you should look at other time frames. Do you want to speak of other time frames? We're going to talk about other time frames as well. First, let's finish our reading over here in the daily chart. Second, the OBV. The OBV is doing an advanced breakout. The OBV is already breaking the previous resistance level over here. This is called advanced breakout. People are buying over here. Now, some people might say, oh Nathan, but these are retail traders. It is dumb money. Tell me the source for this information. And even if it is, what's the problem? It feels like every time some people get frustrated with this market, they say, oh, there are the dumb retail traders, or there are the evil hedge funds that are destroying my life over here. So there's always someone to blame. It doesn't matter. We are doing an advanced breakdown, advanced breakout on the OBV. The ADL, the Accumulation Distribution Index, is also doing a crystal clear advanced breakout. So this is why I'm telling you guys, there are more bullish evidence than bearish evidence. I'm not saying, of course, I can't say for sure that Tesla is gonna go up, because it could drop. But again, that's why we should pay attention to this triple support level, all right? Because I'm not accurate 100% of the time. No one is. If you want accuracy, good luck for you. Just good luck. You will never find accuracy. And what's more, I'm not afraid of being wrong. Seriously, some people say that, oh Nathan, you are wrong over here. Well, that's not a problem at all. I couldn't care less of being wrong. Read Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. In his book, Mark Douglas brilliantly says that a professional trader don't want to be right all the time. In fact, this is not what I seek. What I seek is long-term consistency. If I wanted to be right all the time, that means that I am automatically afraid of being wrong. And fear is an emotion that pro traders can't afford to have, can't afford to feel. And of course, if you want to trade with me, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Options, strategies on Tesla, SPY, daily analysis, trading recommendations, and much more. We're gonna talk about options later right now, speaking of options. But right now, let's keep analyzing this chart over here. Do you want to look at other time frames? Let's talk about the weekly chart over here. In the weekly chart, the RSI is far from being overbought. The RSI is around 54, 53, I believe. So we are very far away from overbought territory in the weekly chart. So as far as I know, Tesla still has way more upside potential until its RSI hits the 70 area over here. So again, guys, it is not me saying, the charts are saying everything over here. In addition, I find quite impressive to see the OBV at the same price level than it was on March 2022 when Tesla was around $381 over here, nearly around $400. The OBV is almost at the same price level right now. The ADL has a similar reading because we are trading at a price level that Tesla was trading in July last year, around $317. So guys, this is why I'm telling you, Tesla has more bullish signs than bearish signs right now at this moment. And these are the key points, this triple support level and the 214. Options wise, let's take a look at options over here. Let me see where we are here. Options wise, investors are quite optimistic. The broad market is not that optimistic. This is a risk alert to us over here in this market, but The put-call ratio on Tesla is 0.72. This is very low. We are above the maximum paying price at 197.50, and look at this open interest chart over here. We see two huge spikes on open interest on calls at 200 and 220 over here. So yes, investors are extremely positive on Tesla. The 210, we see a huge volume spiking today around the 210. So see, there are many good, impressive, bullish signs on Tesla, and so far I see very few bearish evidence over here. The only possible bearish evidence that we could see on Tesla would be if Tesla actually loses this triple support level. As long as we stay above this triple support level, I will simply not consider any bearish thesis. If we do, then alright, I'm gonna turn bearish in the blink of an eye, but right now, we are just bullish. Alright, in this channel, we work only with evidence, with facts, with technical analysis. And if you liked this analysis so far, remember to click on the like button and subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. After all, if you are not my subscriber and you are still watching this video, you probably like it, the content. So come on, subscribe this channel, join us over here in this community. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.